Hello, I'm going to show you how to accept an invite to a Google Meet and then join a Google Meet. This is going to be how we are meeting to do lessons this year. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and you're going to want to sign into your school Gmail account. That is the email that ends with @nv.ccsd.net. It's very important because if you're not in that, you're going to get error messages if you're assigned into another account. So for instance, I have more than one Gmail account. So this picture, I just know from using it all the time, this is my other email, not my school @nv.ccsd.net account. So I want to switch out. I want to make sure, and I'm going to click the right one, and then I know this icon is my school account. So once I'm there, I'm going to go into my email and I need to find the invite. Now, Miss Lawler had sent me an invitation. I did not accept it yet because I wanted to be able to show you all how it works. So here it is. So I've opened it up and right down here where it says going, it has your email address, yes, maybe, or no. This is going to let them know that you will be there. So I'm going to say yes. Now it's taking me to my calendar. It's going to take me right to that day. And you can see that I could just click join with Google Meet, but I'm going to back up just for a second so you can see if that doesn't pop up. So here it is. Oh, here's my meeting. And I know it's at 9 a.m. I knew we planned on meeting at 9. I'm going to click on it, and then this window pops up, okay? And you'll be able to see who is in your meetings. So when it comes time for us to be meeting when we're teaching you, you're going to see either Miss Lawler's name or my name and your name. Maybe some other classmates' names if we're doing a small group, but you click join with Google Meet, okay? And see, so you see, your face, your camera's working now. Right here, this is the mute. So in this meeting, they can't hear me. This is the camera. So watch what happens if I click this. Camera's off, okay? But I want to have it on so that we can see each other and when we're working together. So now you can see who's in the call. So Miss Lawler's already there waiting for me. I'm a minute late. So I'm going to click join now. There she is. There's Miss Lawler. Say hi. So can you hear us now? Oh, look, I made a mistake. My mic is off. Hi. I had my mic off. Can you hear me okay? Okay, her mic is off. Yes, okay. So there you go. So now we are in a Google Meet, and this is how it works. And then I'll do another video to show you once you're in Google Meet what you're going to want to do. Okay?